Packages. I got packages. I got packages. And I'm gonna fumble my way through. I remember what one of them is. It's a new tent. I'm gonna fumble my way through trying to set that up. So that'll be funny. The other one, I don't remember what it is, so I'll be surprised. And lastly, check this out. You can hardly tell right now, but Cody has been out here all day, and it is, what, 90, 93 degrees, 94 degrees, something like that. It's hot. It's hot. But we are, not we, I shouldn't say that. Cody is totally doing all the work. He has set down all of the stones here. You can't see it because it's underneath the mud. He's trying to, is this like homemade grout?
Esque? You know, yeah. I had a muddy puddle over there, so I just threw it on top and spread it all out, and I wanted to get in the cracks. And then I tried to get the outsides packed in as much as I could to kind of hold the frame. So we're just kind of...
This is going to be the...
no professional, but I can get her done.
Some of the patio area for our fire pit region. He also laid in, you can see where the walkway is going to be, but he also laid in some of the patio stone here at the bottom of the steps. And in this bare area is where the boardwalk will be. That'll go out to the patio. Anyways, he's going to be working on that in the background while I try and figure out what's in that other package. All right, I forgot what is in this. I'm going to remember. I still don't know what this is. I still don't know what this is. Oh, it's my solar shower. Nice. It's a solar shower. Tim had one of these, and I liked it so much that I ordered my own. So it's got the bag. 5 gallons fit into this, and heat it up in the sun. I do not know what this is for. We'll figure that out later. We got a solar shower. Oh, it smells like, it smells like that Disney plastic. I love the Disney plastic. Hi. This is Bass. Bass the fat kitty. He's on a diet. I adopted him, and he's always been this fat since I've had him. Oh, you're hairy. So I bought a new tent that's budget that I got. It's $50, but I wanted to get something that was lighter and smaller and more compact for when I go solo, because we have the Midori 2 by Eureka! That's nice when we go out, like in groups. He and I are gonna go out and share a tent. Those are nice. But I needed something. The Midori 2 is 4 pounds. It's like 16 inches in length. I'm bad at knowing where that's at. I don't like it for just myself. It's too much. So I ordered this, which is 2 pounds, a lot smaller already. I'm already impressed with the size. And it uses the trekking poles. So it's an A-frame tent that uses the trekking poles for stability. I am going to set that up now, so wish me luck. They're talking about condensation inside your tent. And it says almost all tents are waterproof, but at times condensation can be so bad that you think your tent is leaking even when it's dry outside. Here are some important tips so this does not happen to you. Tip number 1, don't quit breathing. It says, The average person breathes out an entire pint of water each night while sleeping. While not breathing would do more than all the remaining tips combined to reduce condensation. We don't recommend it. So I like this company based on that alone. They're getting a thumbs up whether this tent sucks or not. It feels heavy duty, like as far as the stitching and stuff. It completely zips. I guess initially my only complaint, I suppose, would be that it's not a double entry.
There it is. All right.
Yeah.
Let's take a look in here. So there's the vent on the other side.
Yeah. The only thing that would maybe be helpful for me is if this vent, you could just open up the other side. But honestly,
well,
this is,
how big are you? 5'4"?
thanks, honey. I'm 5 feet tall.
5 feet tall?
Yeah, 5 feet.
So that's something to consider. You're an itty bitty person.
That's me at 5 feet. I think they said 7'2", which is about right for the.
Oh yeah, you got plenty of room.
I can sit up and enjoy some ramen. I could enjoy some taters.
Mm-hmm.
What's taters, precious? Say it. Potatoes. What do?
You mash them, boil them, put them in a stew.
Yeah, I know.
Something
You
like
boil them and you mash them and you put them in a stew. Anywho, dude, we'll see how it holds up after the weekend. But did you see the size? It's like the size of a football. It's 2 pounds. When it is 90 plus degrees outside, your shirt turns into a makeshift buff. Anywho, I have my tent set up, but I am going to spray it with just Camp Dry and to help waterproof it before I go out. I also need to work on kind of my geeking out favorite part is planning and getting my bag ready. If anybody's interested in my meticulous nerdy ways of planning and packing and organization and how I keep all my gear organized and what I do with that, let me know. I'd be interested in, that's like my nerdy fun stuff there. I could probably make 19 videos, but I'm gonna just go and spray this down and see if I can't help to waterproof it. Now that we have the mud gone, you can see the generalized shape that Cody was going for. I really like that, Cody. I think that's going to be great. The only critique that we could possibly do is right at the corners on each where we have these two. We could always get more and just kind of square that off a little bit in general, just so for seating for your chairs and stuff. But seriously, I'm in love. I am thoroughly excited. Kidder, kidder. Meow, kidder. It's muddy, kitty. What? What's in muddy, kitty?
That's so bright.
It's not here comes. It's been here all day.
Here comes the sun. Put it away. Here comes the sun. I said, it's alright.